In the past, I have tried connecting action cameras to tape measures to get like really long slider shots, but today we're taking things to the next level with the Black & Decker Auto Tape. This takes 4 AAA batteries, it has a motor inside, and then a toggle switch on top here to control it. This isn't something that is manufactured anymore, but I found this one for like 20 bucks on eBay. For this application, the Auto Tape is way better than just a regular spring-powered tape measure, but it's still a lot faster than I'd like it to be. So I decided to switch out the AAA batteries with these 3D printed spacers. These have holes in the middle that I can run a wire through, and once these are in place, the wire will connect with the electrical contacts inside the battery compartment. The wires can then get connected to a speed controller, and I can power this with a rechargeable battery instead of the AAAs. And now, using this dial, I have complete control over the motor speed, so I can have it go really fast, really slow, or anywhere in between. One problem I have run into with this setup is that the camera has bumped into things when I'm extending the tape measure. And I've also just had the camera pop off the end of the tape measure and land face down on the lens. And while these lenses are replaceable, I would just prefer to avoid having the lens get scratched to begin with. The other thing is that the camera is just sliding across the ground, which is eventually going to cause wear and tear on the bottom of the camera. But I've already figured out the perfect solution for this using 3D printing, as usual. This protective shell solves both of my problems at the same time. It has a flange that sticks out past the lens, so if the camera falls on its face, the lens won't be touching the ground. And it protects the edges of the camera from getting scratched as well. If you have the Insta360 Go Ultra and you want to 3D print one of these protective housings for your camera, the STL file for this will be available in the description. I've also designed a 3D printed macro lens attachment for the Go Ultra as well, which you can learn about in this video over here, and I'll see you over there.